Looks like a suitcase, right? Check it out. Motherfuckers got creative. It's a seat. A chair made out of suitcases. This is cool. This is cool. I guess. I don't really know. Alright, look. They even got some shit over here where, like, they got like the little football on it. Like, this is funny to me. Check it out. See the football? That's part of the chair too. I think that's pretty funny. Alright. Then they even got a one with a fake bag. Alright? And the funny shit is it's a Hofstra bag. As you can see, it says Hofstra. Hofstra. I think that's pretty damn funny, you know what I'm saying? We still at the motherfucking bus terminal and shit. Treez over there chilling. Trying to find something to listen to.